Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are doing the trans cocktail along with some axle seals. I've got the wheels off here. I pulled the cotter pins out of these and then I broke out the camera so you guys can see the ball joints coming apart. Enough screwing around. Call this Thor. It's one of the first things I ever welded, and I literally just welded a piece of square tube right to the head. I couldn't find my seal remover, but this worked. I have drained the rear diff fluid. I let that sit overnight. I've got the plug back in and I'm going to add some limited slip additive and then fill the rest up with gear oil. Hey guys, we've got our new axle seals here, and we've got our Motul 300. So it is time to get this thing back together. I'm going to start off by putting the axle seals in. Since I couldn't find a socket that fit over this lip and didn't go past this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the old seal, and I can drive it in with that. Then I can put any socket I want on, and it doesn't matter if I smash it because it's not going to affect the one underneath. So that'll allow me to do this, and then I can just take this 36 and just smash that one down, and it doesn't matter because it's not the seal I'm using that I'm bending up. Alright, that's pretty good. You want to make sure you don't drive it in too far. Take note of how far the old one was in before you pull it so that you can see how far is far enough. I'm putting just a thumb's worth, just putting my thumb on the bottle and tipping it just on the seal so that it's not rubber on dry metal, because you don't want to rip the seal when you put it in. busted another snap-on hammer. This whole set over the years has just dry rotted. I had a set of like 4 or 5 of these. Here's one.
The years went on and she grew cold. Never saw us heading down this road. Now we're past the point of no return. And all the pain's been washed with roses. Cried those tears and wiped our noses. Can't go back the way things were. Even if I did this hurt. What do we do this far alone? Close to the end now like this song. Mustn't waste more time, you see. Cause I've got plans in play. You're not in these plans for me. What I do is not for free. Since you've been gone, what have you learned? And all the pain's been washed with roses. Cried those tears and wiped our noses. Can't go back the way things were. Even if I did miss her. Everything you ever wanted was in front of you.
Alright guys, we've got the Redline in there, we've got the Motul in there. I'm gonna go ahead, run this thing through the gears a little bit, and check the level. Oh,
Was in front of you, didn't know what to tell. And all the pain's been washed with roses.
Sometimes a modification will come along that will change the way you feel about your vehicle. It doesn't always have to make more boost, be louder, or make more horsepower. Sometimes it just has to change the driving experience. This car was previously unable to be taken over 4,000 RPM, just barely cracking into its potential. But after running this Redline and Motul mix, my friends, I am able to send this thing to the moon. 7,500 RPM. More power.